Hi, welcome to this brand new video of the sub account mastery course. So moving ahead on the community section, we just explore what all features, small features we have other than the courses. Okay, so coming up here on courses, we have live class. So I'll be dedicatedly making this video on the live class because we need Zoom credentials for it. Okay, so I'll make a different separate video on it, and you can make live classes of yours into the courses also. So I'll be making a in detail video on this live class. So coming up next is comments. So anyone who has commented on the course, okay, if I just click here on preview, okay, I come up here on one course and maybe I can add a comment, okay, on this course. I just click here on course. This is a very good video, I can say, okay, and I post the comment. So I have posted it and I can just refresh my screen and it will show me all the comments that has come up from the user. And at the time, this is a very good video, this is the course, and this is the lecture on which it has come. So if you want to reply it from here, you can reply thanks, and you can reply it. Okay, so this, you can even add replies to it, you can edit the comment if you want. If you want to delete, you can delete it and it will show up in deleted. For particular courses, if you want to see, for particular lecture, if you want to see, it will show all the comments on it. So accordingly you can filter and they can add comments on it, and all the comments will be shown up here, okay, in the comments. Coming up next is certificates. Okay, so certificates has also come up a main like on completing of some course. If you want to give a certificate to your end user, okay, so you can do it. What you can do, click here on create. From scratch you need to create one. I say certificate one. Okay, I just create one. Okay, in upcoming updates also we'll be adding pre-built templates. For now you will need to make it from scratch. Okay, I click here on layout, and the layout can be landscape or portrait. Okay, anything. So portrait, what does this warning tell you? That you're changing the, you know from horizontal to vertical. Okay, so this is vertical, you say, and this is horizontal certificate. See, so I want to use vertical certificate only. I just drag and drop my design. Okay, I can just select it, sorry, not drag and drop, I can just select it. Okay, if I want to add background image, I can add it. If I want to change the background color, I can even change the background color from here. Okay, if I want to add patterns to it, I can add patterns, I can add image also. Okay, this pattern is good for me. Coming up here on header, I can just drag and drop this header. Okay, company name, I can just drag and drop them here. If I want to make it, I can decrease the size from here also. Okay, for the company name, I can change the uh, font weight, font family. If I want to change the color also, I can do it. For me, it's black is enough. I can just rename it. Okay, my apps. Okay, certificate of completion of course 1, we can say course 1. Okay, if I want to add text on this, I can add text onto this, more text. Congratulations, we can say congratulations on completing this course. Okay, I can increase the font size, take this up in a between. Okay, I can adjust it accordingly. Okay, and this is enough for me. If I want to add more, if I want to add an image to this, I can add an image. Okay, okay, I can add one image to this. I can just select it and add an image to it accordingly. You can just customize the certificate accordingly. If you want to add one badge here on the top, you can just add one badge. Okay, you can just move this my apps here. add one badge here. If you want to add one signature on this also, you can add it accordingly. Okay, so here you can add your signature. So for me, this is certificate is enough. I know it doesn't look a very good one. You can customize it accordingly. You want to do it. For me, this is just an overview. I'm giving you how you can edit all this. Okay, for I can just publish it from here. Okay, so once published, I can just go back from here. Okay, and when my certificate one has come up. Okay, if I want to attach it with the courses, how do I attach? Click here on courses, click here on course one. We have done it. For certificates, you can click and you can select certificate one and attach certificate. Okay, so whoever comes completes the you know course one, they will get it. You can still see a preview of this certificate. So they will get the access, they'll just get the certificate on the completion of courses. So that's how you can make different certificates on different courses also. Coming up here, next on settings. Okay, so for video cipher, as I showed you that you firstly need to integrate it, because as I told you in the previous video also, that it's a third party tool. So firstly you need to add an API key, and then you can integrate. For the Zoom settings, as I told you, they're also on the live classes, so I'll need to add this credentials and everything here. So I'll make a dedicated video on this also, on the live classes and Zoom settings. Okay, coming up here on events, you can add different events that are coming up for you, right? On maybe on 30th, you have, you can just give the title as uh, 2 years of the 2 years of the company. Okay, so maybe 2 years are completing for your company, so you are, you know uh, you're sending an event, you're just sending an invitation to your community to join your Zoom call or something. You can paste the link here. At what time the event is, you can give the date and time. Okay, here on 38th, description you can give a description of the event, that 2 years are going to complete for the company, and you can just submit it. It won't allow me until and unless I don't paste the link. I'll just paste one link of the Zoom. You can paste any link if you want. Okay, so likewise you can even do it for Zoom. I'm just pasting one link, and I can just click on submit. So it will show me here in the calendars. Okay, if I just open up my community and I click here on calendar on the 30th, it will show me the 2 years of the company at 12 a.m. I have this event, and the description will be shown and the Zoom link will be shown here. So this is how you can add different events of yours if you have weekly or anything. Okay, so events will help you on that. Coming up to leaderboard, you can give different points on the rules. Okay, add new rule. If they are logging daily, you can add points, whatever points you want to add. You can add 10 points and just save it. So 10 points will be given to the end user if they are logging into the community daily. Okay, if they have completed any 10% of the course and you want to add 50 points to them, you can add it. So this is how you can make your community very very interactive with the end users, and accordingly on the leaderboards also you can give them some rewards, or some announcement type, and you can congratulate them on your community also. So that makes you and your end users like a very good connection it builds for you, right? Through leaderboards you can do it. Coming up here on branding, you can update your branding from here. You can give your community name also. Okay, so we can say my community. You can give your community name or the company name. You can upload the images for it. Okay, I just click crop and select. I can banner image, right? I can upload all this branding required. Okay, community login screen, all this you can do it. You can update the branding. You can write down about your community. This is my community. Okay, allow non-members register and join community. You can allow, so any non-member also, if you can, share the community link and they can register for it, right? Receive email notification when course access is granted to students. You can enable that. So any course access they have got, the end users, they will get an email on it, and you can just update it from here. Okay, and your branding will be updated on this preview. If you can see, all your branding will be updated here. See here, it is updated on this. Okay, coming up here on shop also, you will see your updated branding. So this is how you can, update your branding for your community. Coming up here on settings. Okay, so if you can see all this: shop, courses, calendar, chat group, members, leader. I don't want to show my end users success habits, billing, and shop. So how do I change it? You can change it from here. Okay, I don't want to show them success habits, billing, and shop. Okay, you can change it from here. And if you can, even set a default page saying that if any of your end user who logs in into the community, which page among this should come up first. Okay, if I want them to directly come up on the courses, I set as default. Okay, and I update it. So whenever the end user is logging into the community, okay, and the default page for them will open on course. Okay, so I haven't logged in because this is just a preview, so it doesn't work on preview. If I'm logging in through the community link, okay, the default page will come up here on courses. See, if you can see, the shop, billing, and habits are not there anymore. So this is how you can update all this from the community. If you want to update your community, don't want to show some features to the end users, and you can even set default pages from here, from settings. Okay, and just update it from here. So this is all about the community, right? So that's all for the video. Thank you.